The year we left behind was not one of the world would love to remember. Full-on crypto crash, a deadly war broke out in Ukraine. Britain lost its familiar face of royalty before being rocked by a political and economic crisis. The desperate people of Sri Lanka booted out their president after suffering for months. Iranians put their life at stake in protest against an oppressive government. The familiar comfort of social media went erratic with Elon Musk taking over Twitter, Amber Heard becoming the most searched person on internet, and the global population reached 8 billion for the first time. From war to layoffs to meltdown to famous deaths, the year that was 2022. And here I am to tell you all the major events that happened month-wise in 2022. In January, the world lost two renowned artists, critically acclaimed actor and director Sidney Poitier, who was the first African American actor to win an Academy Award. The world also lost Indian classical dancer and singer Pandit Birju Maharaj. Feb. Just when the world started settling down from the effects of COVID pandemic, Russia invaded Ukraine to demilitarize and denazify the country. India also lost two of its most popular artists, singer Lata Mangeshwar, proudly referred to as India's Nightingale, and music composer Bappi Lahiri, aka the disco king of India music industry. March. For the first time in 3 years, the US Federal Reserve hiked its benchmark short-term interest rate to combat rising inflation. And after US, European Union and United Kingdom placed sanctions on more than 1,000 Russian individuals and businesses, this led to oil price rise to $110 per barrel. Responding to the international sanctions, Russia halted gas delivery to Germany. And one of the most sensational news was actor Will Smith publicly slapped comedian and actor Chris Rock at the Oscars.
I love you. Yeah, I Jane too. Can't wait to see it. All right? Oh, wow.
In the month of April, during the emergency, Russia was suspended from UN Human Rights Council with 93 votes in favor. India abstracted from the voting. Apart from energy crisis, the world also faced shortage of basic food staple, wheat, as Russia and Ukraine were the major exporter of sunflower seeds, wheat, etc. Also, cryptocurrency has been under pressure after the collapse. The algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD and its sister coin, that is Terra, known as Luna coin, resulted in $40 billion loss in the investors' portfolio. In May, the world was sent into the suffering of another virus known as monkeypox, and also due to the demise of Australian cricketer Andrew Symonds in the car crash left the world shocked. Indian singer KK, aged 53, also died of a cardiac arrest. Popular Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala, aged 28, became the victim of a gang war. If this was not enough, in June, massive flood wreaked havoc in Pakistan, leading to widespread devastation. As per World Bank report, the flood that lasted till October led to damage exceeding $14.9 billion. And one of the famous and well-published trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, which began in April, ended in the favor of Johnny Depp. In July, NASA revealed the first full-colored image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. The image includes the deepest and the sharpest infrared image of the distinct universe so far. Back on Earth, Sri Lankan protesters who were protesting for the resign of the president. Since March, they occupied the president's house in Colombo. Shockingly, former president of Japan, Shinzo Abe, was assassinated while speaking at a public event. And aside all this, India got the first tribal woman to hold the position of Commander-in-Chief, or in other words, she became the President of the India.